So I've been working really hard on this little bug, and I have actually managed to get some areas done. I've plug welded those holes that I didn't like in the front area here. And I've also started to clean up the boot floor a bit better to expose a couple of little holes that need repairing. But as well as that, I have actually sanded back and treated these tubs with that special primer rust proofing paint stuff. We'll see how we get on with that. So things were swiftly moving on with the Beetle project, and then I hit a problem. Hi guys, thanks for tuning back in. It's always the way where things are going a bit too smoothly. And I was working on the Beetle, I was in the back area, and I've actually found some hidden rust. So I was minding my own business and I was cleaning out all the crud that was in here, old bits of soundproofing and sealant, and it's very difficult to see, but down there is daylight. And there's also some crusty bits here that need sorting out, that need cutting out and repairing. But the area I just showed you is the return edge of the boot floor, and it is actually welded behind this panel. So basically it's up underneath here. So this is going to be a bit of a tricky repair. I don't really want to go up underneath this vent area here. I want to keep the repair quite local. So what I'm going to have to do first is just cut out this section here and also the back of the return edge of that boot floor panel and just see what's left. So I've just cut that area out here and also the top section of the boot floor, and it looks something like this. This is the panel here that went along the back, and these holes here are what we were looking at the beginning. That's the back of the boot floor, and you can see there, well, it's totally rotten. So in this situation, the answer would be is to just cut a section out of a donor vehicle and just graft it back in. Unfortunately, I don't have access to a donor vehicle, so I'm just going to have to make good of what we've got. What I'm going to do is cut the rusted section out the back of the boot floor, and then what we'll have to do is just replace this section. It does actually have an edge that rolls round and then it drops down. So what I'd probably do is I'll probably do this in 2 bites, replace this section first and then do the little drop down section. The drop down section is actually still on the back here and it's spot welded through this panel. As for this panel, I'm just going to chop the rotten part off and then we'll just weld a new section in and we'll just reuse this lower edge. So that's the parts of the jigsaw puzzle. That there's the rear of the boot floor like that, and I've cut the edge off the back, which was this section here, which was extremely rusty. And this is the area that I could see down through the back of the car. That is actually this section here, which I've just fabricated a new bit with a return edge here. That will go onto the boot floor like this. And that edge there was also rotten, which is attached to the back of this panel, which is this bit here. So what I should be able to do now is weld this section in the back, and then this section here kind of gets sandwiched between here, and then the boot floor section. So what I've done with this section here, I've actually left an extra bit of material on the back there, so when this is in position like that, I can actually weld it from the back edge. Also, and with this rear section removed here, it's going to be a lot easier to put in our new repair panel here. So that's all the parts of the jigsaw puzzle repaired. What I can do now, starting from the back, I can weld this section into position. I'll probably tack weld it into position first and then work my way into the car. So that's that rear section welded back into position, and I've actually started grinding down the welds as well. And also this section here is welded back into position, and I've started grinding down the welds. I've still got a bit more grinding to do and just a bit of tidying up, but the repair's done. So that was a little bit of an awkward repair, but at least I got rid of this rot. I mean, if it wasn't for me taking the headlining out, I probably would never have found this. So I've still got to tidy up these welds, but as well as that, I've got to plug up a load of holes that are along the back here where somebody had actually screwed something through the back here. And then what I'll probably do is clean up the area, and I'll treat it with this anti-rust paint. So a little bit of an awkward repair today on the back of the Beetle, but I'm really glad that I found it and I've addressed it right now instead of finding it further on down the line once the vehicle's painted and the interior's in. Thanks for tuning in as always, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!